How to fix notification not showing on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on notifications and further navigate to TikTok option. Now here, make sure the allow notifications toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the allow notifications toggle button. Also make sure under the alerts tab, your preferred style is selected. Now go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the profile option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the settings and privacy option. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to. Tap on the notifications option you see there under the content and display tab. Now, go ahead and tap on the in-app notifications option and customize the notifications toggle buttons based on your preferences. Simply enable or disable the type of notifications you want from the app. So this is how you can fix notification not showing on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.